Hello guys, another tech tip from United Computers. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning your desktop, cleaning out dust out of your desktop. We have an example here. This is quite dusty actually. This is almost an extreme situation. But very importantly, what you want to do is, there are two recommendations. One, you can clean your desktop by yourself. The other, if it's extremely bad, you need to take it to a service company to have that done. In this case here, you can do it yourself. What happens when dust builds up in your computer, it reduces the performance of your computer. It can affect the way your memory run. It can affect the way your CPU run. It can cause your computer to be overheated. So here are a couple of things. I've seen customers come to us and they say that I use my vacuum to vacuum out the dust out of my computer. And I want to caution you, that's not a good idea. Make sure you don't use a vacuum, because a vacuum actually causes static electricity, and that can cause damage to your motherboard. Importantly, you want to get yourself a can of compressed air. Really important. Start out using a can of compressed air and take your system out to the back so that none of this dust gets trapped on the inside. Importantly, the way this looks is an extreme situation. Many of your computers may not be in this situation, but importantly, you want to have a can that you slowly start using the compressed air to remove the dust.